On February 12, 2020, the markets reached their all-time historical peaks in what was the longest bull market in history of 11 years. By March 23rd, just 29 market days later, it had dropped 37%, making it the fastest drop in market history as well. Hi, I'm Mark Shepler with Financial and Retirement Solutions, Guaranteed Income Strategies, and today I want to talk about retirement accounts, timelines, and the markets. How's yours going? How are your retirement accounts? Are you down 10, 20, 30, 40%? Has your 401k become a 201k again, maybe in the span of your career? Well, if you're within the 5 or 10 or 15 years of retirement or already retired, you're in what's been called the retirement red zone, and with good reason. You see, the practice has become over the last 25, 30 years of my career to look at historical graphs and performances and charts and the theory is that when the market tanks like it has, that you just ride it out and over time you'll be made good when everything comes back. And that's wonderful and largely true, except that human beings don't live with unlimited amounts of time. We live by deadlines. We have expiration dates. And retirement planning has a very, very significant deadline on it, and it's the day you want to retire. We don't have infinite amounts of time to make things up. So if you're within 5 or 10 or 15 years of retirement and you're down 30%, that's a big problem. So now the question becomes, if you stay in the market and if you're relying on the market and you want to wait it out, how long is it going to take? Versus how long do you have? Is it going to take months? Is it going to take years? I mean, right now in mid-April, experts believe that there could be more significant losses coming, that this recent rally is, sort of a last hurrah maybe before the market goes down another 30%, or that we head into another great recession like 08, 09, or that maybe even a depression if this coronavirus thing goes on much longer and the whole economy remains shut down. We don't really know. The truth is, nobody knows. I don't know. You don't know. The brightest minds on Wall Street and Washington, D.C. and New York don't know either. It's all just educated guesses. So here's what I do know after 35 years in my business and working with clientele, is that retirement accounts in particular are all about income. They're not really about the assets, as contradictory as that may seem. See, when the big day comes and you're ready to retire, how much you have in assets and how much you've put together, especially in your retirement accounts that were dedicated to that purpose, boil down to about 3 major questions. And that is how much am I going to get annually? How much income can I expect to receive off of these assets or this financial asset or retirement account? How long is it going to last? Will it last the rest of my life? Will it last the rest of my spouse's life? And is it guaranteed? Is it guaranteed the income amount each year and how long it will last? Is those guarantees in writing? I believe annuities can provide an answer because annuities do something that nothing else does, and that is to provide guaranteed income over very long spans of time, a lifetime in fact, and nowadays with modern annuities, even 2 lifetimes. See, my clients' accounts are down as well. Pretty much, like anyone else's, varying amounts depending on how they were set up. But the difference is they have guarantees of future income benefit baselines that are continuing to rise even now. They have future guaranteed annual income payout amounts that are continuing to rise even now. They will still have full control and access to their accounts leading up to retirement and throughout retirement all the rest of their lives. And all of that is guaranteed in writing and backed by some of the strongest financial institutions in the history of the world. And so to illustrate the point on how they can help you to make up the lost ground and answer those 3 questions of how much do I get, how long does it last, and is it guaranteed, I'm going to be coming back with a series of short little stories I call Annuity Stories, and they're going to be examples from real accounts, real clients, with, of course, all the confidential information left out. Now, I know the experts say they're expensive. Fees, fees, fees. That's what they talk about. They never talk about the other benefits and features and guarantees, and you know why? Because they can't. They can promise you nothing. They can promise that your money won't even be there tomorrow. They can't even say that. But you know what's really expensive that you also don't hear much about? And that is if you're 5 or 10 or 15 years from retirement or in retirement, losing 20, 30, 40% of your retirement account. That's expensive. And you know why? Because it's measured in something you can't put a price tag on. It's measured in time, the last 5 or 10 years it took for you to grow that money. And perhaps will take again just to get back to where you were a month and a half ago. And if you're bumping up against your retirement deadline, that's a problem. You're in the retirement red zone and you don't have that time anymore. So stay tuned for coming editions of Annuity Stories, real life examples of real life clients and how annuities have shielded their retirement accounts and still to this day have rising future income baseline guarantees, rising future guaranteed annual income guarantees, not just for them, but for their spouses too in some cases. And so that my clients are still on track for their retirement deadline. I'm Mark Shepler with MSE Financial and Retirement Solutions, Guaranteed Income Strategies. I thank you for watching and listening. Stay tuned. Please remember to like and subscribe to my pages and videos for more editions of Annuity Stories and other helpful topics too. Thanks again.